So I tried something most people never test properly. I connected to dozens of VPNs trying to get a working Indian IP address, and what I found was surprising. Most of them don't actually work. Some get blocked instantly by Indian streaming platforms, some give you an IP address that looks like India, but isn't trusted. And some are doing something with your data that most people would never agree to. But 3 VPNs actually worked reliably. And one of them does something the others simply cannot match for privacy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which VPN gives you the most reliable Indian IP address and which one I would personally avoid if privacy is the main reason you're using a VPN. Now, a quick thing before we get into it. All 3 VPNs I'm covering today have deals running right now, and I've dropped the links in the description and pinned them below. NordVPN is sitting at 74% off plus 3 free months. Surfshark is 60% off with 3 free months as well, and ProtonVPN is 70% off with a 30-day refund policy. So you can actually test whichever one you pick without any risk. But I'd hold off on clicking anything just yet. Pricing isn't the only thing that matters here. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one is actually worth it for your situation. So here's the situation. If you're outside India trying to watch Hotstar, GeoCinema, or live cricket, or you're inside India and just want a secure connection on public Wi-Fi, you need an Indian IP address. And a VPN is usually the easiest way to get one. But there's a huge catch most people don't know about. Back in 2022, India introduced new regulations under CERT-IN. And those rules require VPN providers with physical servers inside India to store user data for 5 years. That includes things like your real IP address, your name, and potentially your activity logs for 5 years. So the biggest VPN companies made a decision, the only decision they can really make. They pulled their physical servers out of India entirely, which created a weird situation. Because if you search for Indian VPN servers, you'll see tons of providers claiming they have them. So how does that even work? Well, this is the part most people miss. The best VPNs now use something called virtual Indian servers. The server hardware might actually be in Singapore or the UK, but it assigns you a legitimate Indian IP address, which means you can access Indian content where your data never actually enters Indian jurisdiction, and you still appear to be in India online. I tested this myself. Turn the VPN on, connect to India, open an IP checker, it shows India. Open GeoCinema or Hotstar, it loads exactly like you're sitting in Mumbai. But here's where people make the wrong choice. Not every VPN with a virtual Indian server actually works with Indian streaming platforms. Some get detected immediately, some throttle speeds, and one of the 3 VPNs I tested has a privacy architecture that's on a completely different level, if that's your main concern. So here are the 3 that actually worked. Number 3, ProtonVPN. Now, this one might surprise some people because from a pure privacy standpoint, ProtonVPN is probably the most impressive VPN on this list. The company is based in Switzerland, which sits outside EU and US surveillance alliances like the 14 Eyes. Every ProtonVPN app is open source, meaning anyone can inspect the code, and their no logs policy has been independently audited. But the feature that really stands out is something called Secure Core. Instead of connecting directly to the Indian server, your traffic first routes through hardened servers in places like Switzerland, Iceland, or Sweden. Then it exits through the Indian IP, which essentially creates built-in double VPN protection. Now, when I test speeds from outside India, Proton's VPN accelerator helped keep long-distance speeds surprisingly stable. But there are 2 main reasons I ranked it 3rd for this specific use case. First, the best pricing requires a 2-year plan, and it's still more expensive than budget competitors. And second, they limit connections to 10 devices. So if privacy is your number 1 priority, Proton is easily one of the best VPNs you can choose. But for Indian IP access specifically, there are 2 options that perform better overall. Number 2, Surfshark. Surfshark is easily the best value VPN I test for Indian IP addresses. First thing that stands out is something no other major VPN offers at this price: unlimited device connections. Not 5, not 10, unlimited, infinite. One account can protect every device in your house. Now, when I tested their Indian virtual server, it connected quickly and stayed stable through a full streaming session. Another useful feature is Camouflage mode. This hides the fact that you're even using VPN, making your traffic look like normal browsing. That matters because some streaming platforms actively try to detect and block VPN connections. Surfshark also includes CleanWeb, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware at the network level. The one area where Surfshark falls behind is raw speed. In my test, I saw around an 8 to 10% drop on Indian servers. That's still pretty fast, perfectly fine for streaming, but NordVPN was sitting at roughly 3%. So if you're doing something latency sensitive like gaming or live sports, that gap matters. Now, Of course, number one, NordVPN. When it comes to reliability and performance with Indian IP addresses, NordVPN consistently came out on top. I tested dozens of VPNs for this exact scenario, and NordVPN had the smallest speed drop when connecting to Indian virtual servers. Like I said, roughly 3% from baseline in my test. That's largely thanks to NordLynx. They're a high-performance protocol built on WireGuard. So if you switch to NordLynx in settings, the difference is noticeable. NordVPN also runs one of the largest server networks in the industry, with thousands of servers across more than 160 countries, including multiple Indian virtual server options. They also offer obfuscated servers, which disguises VPN traffic so it doesn't trigger VPN detection systems. And recently they introduced a protocol called NordWhisper, designed specifically to work in heavily restricted networks. Now on the privacy side, Nord runs RAM-only servers, meaning data is wiped every time the server restarts. Their no-log policy has been independently audited multiple times, and there's even a real-world example that proved it. In 2017, authorities seized one of NordVPN servers during an investigation. There was no logs to collect, which is exactly what you want from a VPN provider. So if your goal is the fastest speeds, the most reliable Indian IP access, and one of the most feature-complete VPNs available, NordVPN is the strongest overall option. If you're interested in trying any of these, well, I've linked the best current deals in the description. Right now, NordVPN is about 74% off plus 3 extra months free, so you can test them risk-free. And to close the loop from the beginning of the video, if privacy is your absolute top priority, ProtonVPN is the strongest privacy architecture. But if your main goal is getting a fast, reliable Indian IP address that actually works with streaming platforms, well, NordVPN came out on top in my testing. So if you want me to test more VPNs for specific countries, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I'll read them all.